So it's starting to warm up finally, so I'm gonna go through my coat closet and organize it and show you how it's done. Don't judge, but it is crazy. First, we're gonna remove everything from the closet. This is everything I've taken out. I'm going to go through it and decide what to donate, what to keep, and what to put in a different place in the house. I'm going to vacuum all of the surfaces first. Vacuuming includes the baseboards and around the baseboards. I also need to vacuum the shelf. Next, I'm going to spray everything down and wipe it. You can't forget the door frame. I'm going to clean the inside and the outside of the door. This is a part of the door that a lot of people miss. And of course, the front side of the door. Here I am washing the floorboards. Once I'm done wiping down the floorboards and the wall if it needs it, I am going to do the floor. Now comes the task of going through everything and deciding what I'm going to keep and get rid of. Now that I'm done with that, it is time to put everything back. This is what Teddy's most excited that we found. No. Wait. Wait. What's that? Okay. You got it! You got it, buddy. Good job. Okay, we got everything put back where it belongs. I just have the rest of my house to do. Yeah, not looking forward to that, but I will like the finished results. If you like this kind of content, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next video we upload. And thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate all of you, and have a great day.